Good evening, parents and families and staff members. Welcome to Open House this fall of 2020. It certainly isn't like what we typically do, but I did want to take a moment and welcome you all back to the school year. It's no secret this is an extraordinarily challenging time for families and teachers and everyone having to deal with the pandemic and remote learning. And I wanted you to know the question I'm faced with the most from parents is what's going to happen in the future? Will our kids be able to come back to school, and when, and how will they come back? And I can tell you at this point, we're very much thankful for being prepared by having technology and laptops ready for our students, along with committing to using Schoology. I wanted to take a moment and thank the parents who have reached out to me to share with me the number of ways that Schoology is working well for them. I do realize it does have its challenges, especially for you at home with your children, but our decision to be ready with laptops and to move the entire district to Schoology is really serving us well this fall. But more importantly, what's going to happen in the future? And as you may be aware, we have, in the last couple of weeks, started to bring special education students into our schools for very specific support needs. And at the same time, we continue to study different ways for us to try to bring other students in small groups so that things remain safe and we protect everyone, both students and staff, from the spread of the coronavirus as much as possible. We have no specific plans yet, but we're actively working on ways that we could possibly achieve this. And you might be hearing from area districts that they are starting to bring students back or on a particular schedule. And I just wanted you to know we're within that same time frame of considering to try something. There's a lot of work to do given the size and complexity of our district, but I wanted you to know that we're working on some solution that would help our students be students again. Nothing's official yet, but we're certainly working very hard at trying to figure that out. So as we continue this open house tonight, I just want to take a moment and thank all of the parents for your extraordinary patience with your children at home. And I also want to take a moment and thank our staff for their extraordinary commitment to adjusting to teaching remote, as well as for many of them having their own family and things at home as well. By no means is this an easy task for any of us, but Warren Consolidated Schools is strong, and we're going to get through this with a little bit of patience and hard work, which we all have much of. So on that note, have a great open house and do the best that you can learning about things tonight. And if you have any questions, please contact your child's teacher or the principal of the school. And let's do the best that we can to have a great 2020-21 school year. I sincerely appreciate it. And I hope the next time that I see all of you will be in person and things are back to normal. Have a great night, and thanks so much.